What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can download Instagram Reels into your gallery. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to on your Instagram. After going to Instagram, you have to go to your profile. You have to click on your profile just like this. After clicking on your profile, you have to click on this option. You will land on this page. You have to click on this option to choose your reel that you want to download. After clicking on Reels option, what you need to do, you have to choose a reel that you want to download to your gallery. I'm going to download this reel into my gallery. So to download this, you have to click on this share button in the third option. After clicking on this, you will find a option called download in the fourth option here. You have to click on this option, then your reel will be start downloading. After the downloading is done, your reel will be appear on your gallery. So this is how you can download any reel from your Instagram to your gallery. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.